Well, it's the 15th today, Thursday. I'm sure you've just seen the last vlog I put up with that pillock cutting us up. Thank you very much, pillock. It's awful weather. Bloody, this is the new one, like the new front coming in from the east. It's the beast from the east, little brother. Well, we survived the big one. God, my pals who I saw yesterday, they're up. I'm not too sure whereabouts in Scotland. They were supposed to be skiing today. I've just had a message off them. Plenty of snow, but it's been cancelled due to high winds. So I'm absolutely gutted for them. They were dead excited about it. And they're back in the morning. Maybe they'll stay another day. It just depends on how long this is in for. So we'll see what happens. Now I've just left the yard. There you go, Tyne Tunnel A194 to the right. So I'm going to go straight on up to the A1. Down past the Angel of the North. Metro Centre. My turn off for home. Oh, always a killer, that mind. Literally 5 minutes from there, but never mind. Double decker again. It's in a lot better condition than the one I had yesterday that I first hooked up to. It's pretty new actually. I wouldn't say it's lovely because it's just a trailer. But it's a lot tidier than what I have been pulling of late. And I'm back in my Scania, not the new one, the 66 plate, which I'm so happy about. As much as that other one, the Merc yesterday was quick and half bouncy, man. Yeah, this just feels so much more smoother. I'm comfortable in it, apart from that beep beep noise for no reason whatsoever, probably just raindrops. So we'll see how it goes. I've just noticed the battery on this new camera. I've been vlogging for 3 days, messing about with it, and it's now only saying that it's due a charge. It's about 10% left of the battery, so I'm well impressed with the battery life. I'll get another battery for it, a Nikon battery. I'm not sure. I'm sure I can actually run it off the power at the same time as recording. Anyway, boring, so I'll shut up. So I'll get you onto the A1 and then I'll switch off for a bit and I'll pull in when I get to the other side of the Tyne Tunnel. You just plug it in, the River Tyne, I mean, I'll just get it plugged in and get it charging for a bit. That's the plan. In fact, I've got a charging point literally not even 2 feet from it, if that. A foot and a half. A foot and a half. Like 1 foot and then half a foot. A bit with the toes. So when it's busy, you get the mile coming around the outside of you here, and then they'll go right to the end, and then they'll take a sneaky left at the roundabout just to get ahead of you. Because I like that. That's the A1 just there to my left. Go all the way around. It's almost a full circle. Start easing up now before I hit the line. See the van. There's a silver car. Car's hanging on, very kind of you. When you do, like yesterday, I'm tucking it down. there. And relax, kind of. I've been sat behind this tractor. I finally crept up to it because the cars can whiz past it for about the last just over 4 miles now. He's passed 2 empty lay-bys. There's a ton of traffic behind me. No reason why that fella couldn't just pull in, let him go. We've all got to get somewhere, he does as well. But at the end of the day, he should be moving our. You're patient for the first 2 or 3 miles. You're like, alright, I'll get it. Nowhere safe. I mean, I'm on a brow now. There's no way on earth would I even attempt to overtake. See, there's a car coming there. I don't take stupid risks. Not like the cars I've seen passing there. I'm watching as far as I can there. I can see a little white van. And there's nothing after that. So I can go for it there. I'm looking at the junctions either side, making sure nothing's going to come up and then turn towards us. So this is mine now. But remember, I'm pulling a lot of weight. But good old Scania. Dick. You could have just moved over, you know what I mean? Pulled into lay-by for a couple of minutes, not even that, and everyone would have been past them. Just 18 litres that time. I'm getting a little bit wise to this now. You're always learning, that's for sure. And what I did was, yesterday when I came up, I asked when I got the fob, I went to the other part of the office and I asked, is the trailer ready by any chance? Savers come back in to ask, and then I can do it all in a oneer. So it was yesterday, and I'm earlier today, but it was ready for us, which is fab. Right, so if I line up with this in front, like so, just back straight on, easy, lazy reverse. Like I said, didn't come to work to make it hard for yourself, mate. Looking for drama, finds you anyway. Lovely, perfect. I'll just pull forward, get my nose right. Am I right? I like it bang on, like the line. I'm getting a little bit OCD. Now we're gone. Stop. So I'm right up by the office today. That's all right. It's my trailer here. Just double check. dropping the suspension right down so I can get underneath without touching the mud guards. -50 it says. Still going to be tight. I'll run up. Sometimes you have to give it a bit of a nudge, you know, and then just lift it up a little bit. Don't need to lift it up too much on this one, and that gets the legs off for you for when you're winding it up. So you've got food on the back, you be very careful, slow and steady. That's it. You're right in front of the office and all the bosses look. So you don't want to cock up right here. And thankfully, I didn't. I'm just sat here on the brake now, all hooked up. Did my checks, got signed out. Just need to take my 30, so jack it off. Absolutely chill out. Now this guy's doing it right. The guy in the Symphony, he's indicated to let me know that he wants to get around and get into this 720 lane, so I'm going to hang back and let him do it. His indicator's just come off, but these fucking horses, and they're all cutting around the outside of me, jumping in the space I'm leaving the driver. Got a bit of flooding under the bridge here, you know, where the foodie place is, the KFC and that.
Where are you? Because I'm stopped. Are you on the roundabout yet?
Yeah. I'm on it now.
Going to this yet, not?
Yeah. I was asked if I could go and do a trailer swap. Well, not a trailer swap. Swap trailer and truck. The guy, there was a fault with the trailer, he was stuck on the 720 heading back home, heading east, well, southeast, and he was very, very tight on his time, so they said, would you mind just like giving him your truck trailer and then you sit and wait for the guy to come repair it? I was like, yeah, no bother. So I was like, a little bit, you know, but you do it, of course you do. And a couple of miles away from where I knew he was parked up, he was in a lay-by on the 720, which was good news. And they rang me back and said, Steve, just head home, the guy's been and fixed it, and he's back on the road. So, good news. I should be back in the yard for around 9 o'clock. I'm not too sure what time I said earlier on, but 9 PM. So you're looking at like a 9:30 finish. And then see him again tomorrow. Look forward to doing something different next week, because I am bored to tits with this. Catch you later, folks.